Hi, I'm Bob Clark, the Enterprise System Solution Leader for PwC. I'm here to give a quick introduction to PwC's Enterprise Insights Technology platform and how to drive better business through better insights. Let me first talk about the challenge we saw at some of our clients and some of the companies we talked to. They have an overwhelming number of business partners, and it continues to grow as companies look to be global and truly expand throughout the digital economy. They also have a number of data sources that they're struggling to deal with as the information continues to grow and grow as they do business through the internet and through larger supply chains and networks. They have to look at customers and questions rather like, what partners do we have? What are our key customers? Who are our key suppliers? How do we want to change? What should that look like in the future? Similarly, if you think of the internet and connectivity and how companies move into the Internet of Things, we have to think about who we connect to now, who connects to us, and what do we want to connect to in the future to grow the business and be strategic. We developed Enterprise Insights to help customers deal with that and manage their business and manage risks as they expand throughout the digital economy. We think of things like, are they getting meaningful information to help manage business risks? Do they know where the best data is to mine, to drive insight, again, to understand where risks are? And how do we optimize technology to be able to manage and control that risks? We developed Enterprise Insights basically with that goal in mind. And what Enterprise Insight does, it extracts data across all of the various sources. So think of your key business applications and platforms that sit out there, whether it be on the internet or sit on something like SAP, Oracle, Workday, Salesforce. We grab that information and look for 4 key things to help you manage risk and run the company. The first, configuration of key business applications. So when we think about your core ERP, your core business solutions, the solutions that are helping interact with customers, suppliers, and really drive the business. How have you configured that to truly run the business to make sure that that information is complete and accurate and produces the results you need? We look at those configurations to give you comfort that that hasn't changed and that the controls and systems operate in the way you expect. The second is security. How do we make sure people have the right access to do their jobs without introducing unnecessary risk? And what analytics can we do to make sure that's happening? This is really important as you think about moving and expanding across cloud systems, the internet, and expanding your network and interconnectivity with your customers and your suppliers. The third is business transactions. What are the important transactions we need to look at to review and approve? And how do I isolate those rather than look at everything across all of the data sources we have? How do we bring that to front and just look at what matters? Then you have standing data, what we call here the data that matters and drives results. Things like your customer files, your vendor files, key pricing, competitive information that really drives the business, that helps you make key business decisions. We developed through Enterprise Insights proprietary analytics that help you manage those 4 key areas and then to help manage the risks across that. So analytics themselves are great, but without action, they're really not that useful. So we also developed Command Center. Command Center is basically a workflow capability that wraps around those analytics to drive action from the analytics. Command Center also does issue management and workflow routing to make sure that those issues are addressed in a timely manner and that management is aware of issues as they arise. So in a nutshell, Enterprise Insights combines the power of the data sitting in your organization to provide meaningful analytic information and data to make decisions on, and also wraps around the workflow capability to drive decisions and results and issue resolution across the company. So that's really Enterprise Insights. Check out other videos on Enterprise Insights to understand and learn more. In addition, check out our website for more information on Enterprise Insights Technology and how it can help you drive better business through better insights. Thank you.